actions, big results. What do you think that means? Small actions, big results. I think it means that sometimes we can do small things and get big results. For example, small kindnesses every day give us big results. And exercise, just a little bit of exercise every day, results in better health. And how about reading? Reading just a short time every day gives us better reading skills. And last, language practice. If I want to learn another language, it only takes a few minutes a day. And over time, before you know it, you've learned another language. Small actions, big results. Let's go on to the next page. Before you listen, communicate in small groups and discuss these questions. You are not in class, right? So you cannot communicate with a small group. However, even if you're alone, you can speak out loud. Or maybe if someone is with you in your house, you could speak with them. Let's look at the 3 questions on this page. Page 4. Look at the photo. What is the man doing? Why? I think the man is checking his crops. And I think he's checking on his crops because he's the farmer. It also looks like the ground is very dry. Maybe he's worried. Number 2, what kinds of water problems do people have in different parts of the world? Do you have water problems in your part of the world? The United States has water problems in different parts of the country. California has many water problems very often. In fact, we have water problems now, especially in the valley. We don't have enough water. Number 3, do you feel a responsibility to change the way you use water? Why or why not? If yes, in what way? Think about that question, because in our first Zoom meeting, this will be one of our topics. Let's go on to page 5. Vocabulary. Read and listen to the sentences with words from the TV interview. Guess the meaning of each bold word or phrase. Then write each word or phrase next to its definition. Let's listen.
Unit 1, Part 1, page 5, Exercise C, Vocabulary.
A. Australia is very rich in natural resources, including coal, copper, iron, gold, and uranium.
B. One way to conserve electricity is to turn off the lights when you leave a room.
C. Each month, the government publishes statistics about the number of people who found and lost jobs.
D. You shouldn't use the dishwasher when it is only half full because it wastes water.
E. I probably drink 8 glasses of water a day on average. Some days I drink more and some days less.
F. When I moved to an apartment near my job, I cut my driving time from 30 minutes to 10 minutes.
G. Lake Ontario is huge. It looks like an ocean.
H. The professor requires students to turn off their cell phones in his class.
I. There's water on the bathroom floor. I think the bathtub has a leak.
J. It's crucial to drink water after you exercise. Your body needs it.
Now, guess the meaning of each bold word or phrase. Then, write each word or phrase next to its definition. For example, number 1. Extremely important. Answer: crucial. Crucial means extremely important. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word to describe the definitions. This is a homework assignment. You will find it in the homework section. Let's move on to the next page. D. Communicate. Work with a partner. Take turns asking and answering the questions. Use the words in bold in your answers. For example, Person A. How long does it take you to get to work or school on average? Person B. On average, it takes about 20 to 25 minutes. It depends on the traffic. Notice that the answer is found in the question. Number 1 says, how long does it take you to get to work or school on average? Your answer should start with, on average, it takes about. Let's look at numbers 2 through 7. When you were younger, what is something your parents required you to do? What are some things your teacher requires you to do for this class? Your answer should have the word require or requires in it. For example, when I was younger, my parents required me to, and my teacher requires me to. Number 3, finish this sentence. For me to be healthy, it is crucial to blank every day. Number 4, do you ever waste money? If yes, how? Number 5, how can people cut the amount of time they spend online? Number 6, if you receive a huge amount of food in a restaurant, do you eat it all? If not, what do you do with the food you don't finish? Number 7, do you try to conserve water? How? Once again, communicate with a partner. Take turns asking and then answering the questions. Be sure to use the words in bold in your answers.